AgTech Tech Tip: Cut Paste. In Edit mode, Gradework has added a Cut option to the Edit and right-click menus. If you want to move data from one surface to another and delete the data from the original surface, you may now use the Cut option. This may be helpful when PDF vector lines or CAD lines have lines from different surfaces in the same layer. Here we can see the existing and design contours are in the same layer. First, select all the lines you want to move. Hold the Shift key to select multiple lines. Right-click and select Cut, or select the Edit menu and select Cut. Change the surface and layer to the desired destination. Right-click and select Paste, or select the Edit menu and select Paste. The lines will be added to this surface and deleted from the original.